Okay, let's take a look at problem 4, using composite functions. You have a coupon good for $5 off the price of any large pizza. You also get 10% discount on any pizza if you show your student ID. How much more would you pay for a large pizza if the cashier applied the coupon first? Well, first we need to say that we're going to say X is the price of a pizza. And so if we're using a coupon, we'll say the cost of the coupon is C of X, and that is just X minus 5. If we're using the discount, we're going to say D, so D of X equals X minus 10% X, which is going to give me 0.90X if I subtract those, because there's an invisible 1 here, so 1 minus 0.1 is 0.90. So the composition to apply the discount would be C of D, C composed of D of X, or C of D of X. And so if I plug that in, my C is not X minus 5. And so if I plug in D of X for my X, it'll be 0.90X minus 5. Okay? And so if I want to do it in the reverse order, there would be D composed of C, which would be D of C of X. And so I would do X minus 5 will go in for my X instead. So that'd be 0.90 times X minus 5, which will give me 0.5X minus 0.5. So I need to subtract these two to see what the difference will be, right? So I'm going to subtract the first one that I got, which was 0.90X minus 5. So they have 0.90X minus 5. Subtracted from, 0.90X minus 4.5 is the one that comes first, because I want to know how much more it is from, if you pay the cashier applies the coupon first. And then 0.90X minus 5 for the other one that we found. And so my 0.90X both cancel out, and I get negative 0.5, and this is going to change to a plus. So I get negative 0.5 plus 5, which is giving me 5 cents. So you pay 50 cents more if the cashier applies the coupon first. So definitely don't want them to apply the coupon first. So let's look at guided number 4. The store is offering a 15% discount on all items. Also, employees get 20% and then 20% employee discount. Write composite functions. So let's say that X is the amount of purchase. So this is what you're purchasing. And let's say that the store is S. So we say the store discount is equal to X minus that 15%. And when I subtract that, I get 0.85% X. And my employee discount, let's say that is X minus 0.20%, which is 0.80 or just 0.8X. So if I want to do one where it says a model taking the 15% discount and then the 20% discount. So the 20% discount is the employee. So that's going to come second. So 15, then 20. So that would be, for part A, E composed of S of X, which will be 0.80, and then my X that I'm plugging in is 0.85X, which is 0.68X. So B, same thing, it's just that I am applying 20%, then 15%. So let's do that. That is S composed of E of X, which is 0.85, and then 0.8X goes inside, which is still 0.68X. So it's the same thing. Doesn't matter which one you apply first. So it says, if you're an employee, which discount would you take first? Well, it doesn't matter. We just got the same thing. That's a silly question, right? So it doesn't matter which one I apply first, because when I'm multiplying, that's how it usually works, because multiplication is commutative. I hope this helps.